How to withdraw your money from ETrade. Go ahead and open the ETrade website. Now that you are here, go ahead and log into your account. Once you've done that, on the main page of ETrade, navigate to the section that says Transfers. Hover over the options and select Transfer Money that is right at the top. You'll be now redirected to a new page. This is where you can choose the source account. So if you have a retirement account or manage portfolios, go ahead and select the account type that you're using. Then you have to specify the destination account. Indicate the amount that you want to transfer. Make sure to fill in the date and the frequency. This is likely to be a one-time transfer, so go ahead and select one of the options. Now you want to click on Preview Transfers. This is going to allow you to review the details. Ensure that everything is accurate and correct. If everything is looking good, then go ahead and proceed. Then you'll receive a confirmation number. However, do keep in mind that the transfer process can take up to 2 to 3 business days. This tutorial does not demonstrate the full process of withdrawal. That is also because I do not have an ETrade account. Lastly, make sure you check your tax paperwork for accurate reporting. So that is how you withdraw money from ETrade. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.